Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Okay, and as you can see, this is the interface of the app. If we went right here to our following, you will see that I have 57 followers, right? If the followers, if the follower who blocked you is someone you actually know, you can just go ahead right here to the search, and you'll be able to go ahead to the search. For example, right here, let's say this account, and you will see that person has no post, no picture whatsoever, and you won't be able to see their followers or following because this person actually blocked you. Okay, there's like high chance that this person actually blocked you because you can't see their posts, followers, following, or even their avatar. They're probably deactivated or deleted their account, or they actually blocked you. Okay, but if you want to see that like a general, your followers, how to see who blocked you from your followers right here. Unfortunately for now, Instagram doesn't allow anyone to see who blocked them in their personal account on Instagram because simply they don't want you to retaliate or do anything to offend them. Okay, so unfortunately for now you can't actually do that, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.